The other leaders, both at the government level and in the church level, the other religious leaders here present, and all of you dear people of God. I would also like to welcome you to this ceremony when we are concluding the Justice and Peace Month, which was started in Nansana Parish, and now we are winding it up here in Entebbe. I would like to thank the Director of Justice and Peace for this arrangement. But before I go any further, I'd like to bring you greetings from His Grace, the Archbishop of Kampala, who would have been here to wind up this month. They have brought to our awareness the presence of a number of refugees, and their representative made their case here when she gave her speech. Uganda has been known to welcome refugees because we as a country have gone through a similar experience. The troubled times that we have gone through as a country caused a number of Ugandans to go and live in other countries as refugees. And so it is incumbent upon us to be compassionate, to be kind to those who come seeking refuge in our country, so that we welcome them and we can assist them. It is, I think, like a policy or an attitude of our country to welcome people who come here. And I do hope that the refugees who are here can find some kind of peace, their own doing and their own arrangement. They are forced to leave their country for circumstances that are beyond them. And so when they come here, I would call upon all the Ugandans to be kind to them, to be compassionate with them, and where you can assist them, please do so. And I will also ask the refugees to be open, to be cooperative with the Ugandans wherever they are. There are many challenges when you are a refugee going into a new country and into a new environment. And those challenges do arise, and we hope and pray that you'll be able to confront them, be able to deal with them, and be able to realize they're living here when you are in our country, trying to live and maintain yourselves and being able to sustain your lives. There are certain concerns that your representative raised when you're here, and I do hope that our director and the rest of the department will look closely at them and be able to respond to them in some way or another, so that you can be assisted and you can be helped. There are certain challenges.
Lack of justice to each of us. Wano katujjukira ekyo tuwanjagire Omukama atubeere. Mulemu kufa abali wano twekubamu mu kifuba. We should all stop being more selfish. Tuwanise nnyo okulaba nti tulina obwenkanya muffe. Ensi yaffe eyoke ebukalemu emirembe. Abakulembeze tusabire nnyo tukola amateeka aganaasanyusa era aganaaweereza buli munnansi, buli munnaggwanga, buli mutonde wa Katonda wansi w'enjuba. Tukola amateeka nga si gaffe naye nga gaba na Uganda, nga gaba nnansi, nga gaba na Africa, nga tulwanira ebifo bino bye tubeeramu tumanye that before God we are equal. Katonda tutonda ng'ebitonde bye tujje kuno tumuweere.
To thank the President of Uganda and the government for welcoming each and every one in Uganda. Because there are some countries which don't welcome what? People. For sure there are many. But at least we are among the countries that are doing a very good job to welcome all different categories of people from different worlds. I think we can clap for that.